In this video, I'm going to explain the basics and show you step by step how you can make a Snapchat account on your phone, iPad, or any other tablet. So this is really easy and I'll show you what you need to do. So first, you want to make sure you've got Snapchat downloaded. To do that, head to your Play Store or the App Store. So go to the Play Store or the App Store and just go ahead and search for Snapchat. You should see it in the Play Store very easily. You can see here is the official one by Snap Incorporated. So just go ahead and install that to your device and then you can open it. Once you've got it open, you'll be given the option here to either log in or sign up. We want to sign up, so go ahead and click on the blue sign up button here. Then it's going to ask you what your first and last name is. Just go ahead and enter that and then click sign up and accept. If you don't want to, you don't have to put real information in your first and last name, or any of this information for that matter really. So when is your birthday? You just want to choose a date for your birthday. So I'm just going to enter in some random numbers here, and then we can click on continue. Once you've done that, Snapchat will then give you a username, but I would change it to a username that you prefer. You can have any username you want really, as long as it's not taken and it's unique. For the video, I'll just call this account something like Knowledge Base Tutorial. So I'll call it here Knowledge Base YT, and then we'll click on the blue continue button, and now we'll be taken to the window where we can enter in a password. Just make sure that your password is 8 characters long here, so I'll just go and enter in mine now. Okay, so after we've done that, we can now continue again, and we'll just wait here. Now it wants us to enter in a mobile number. Now you can either sign up with a mobile number, which is going to make it easier for your friends who you've gave your phone number to actually add you as a friend and find you, or you can sign up with your email address instead. I've already got my mobile number on my normal account that I use, so I'm going to sign up with my email. It's then going to ask you for your email. You can go and enter it in here. It looks like this email has already been taken. Okay, so now I've got my email in there. We can now continue. And it's now going to ask you if you want to find your friends. The way it's going to do this, it's going to scan through all of your contacts, and then anyone with a number who has their number associated with a Snapchat account, you can just go and add them. For me though, I'm going to skip this step, because I don't want to leak anyone's number, and then I'm going to skip again. So now we're inside of Snapchat, and this is what you will see when you first open Snapchat. If you look at the bottom here, you've got the map, you've got chat, you've got camera, stories and spotlight, and then in the top right hand corner you've got your profile here. If you wanted to add someone, go to the top right hand corner where that friends icon is with the plus, click on that and you can then add friends. You could then add them from their Snapchat username here, or you can scan a QR code. So I hope that video was helpful and it showed you how to sign up to Snapchat successfully. Please do leave a like if it was, and make sure you comment down below if you're struggling with anything, and I'll see you all in the next video.